Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here as we are going to get going into week 2, Philosophers in Facebook, which I'll explain in just a minute. First of all, thank you for watching this weekly video. You should be doing this every week as the new suggested schedule comes up. Watch the weekly video, and I suggest staying as close to the suggested schedule as possible. Now, before we get going too much, I want to just bring up your grades. So your grades tab, you should go to this at the beginning of the week, every week while you're watching the weekly video and everything, and several times during the week. I would suggest every time you open up Schoology, you go in and just check your grades. So your grade book here will have all of the assignments listed, and then over here, these symbols mean that the assignment was turned in, and then the grade means that it was graded. So this is an assignment that was turned in but has not been graded yet. This is my feedback over here. So if you look at this assignment, the assignment was turned, something was turned in, but it wasn't done correctly. So this was my feedback about how to go back and redo it correctly. All right, and then course grade down at the bottom here and all that good stuff. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, but you should be checking your grades on a regular basis. So this week, what we are going to be doing, we're in Unit 1, Philosophical Foundations of Our Country, and Week 2, Philosophers and Facebook. So two things, two assignments, two things to do that are connected together. So the first one is, it says, I say, and so. And so last week we started looking at John Locke, one of the original political philosophers whose ideas and thoughts really helped form our form of government. And we're going to look at 4 other political philosophers from around the same time period. And this is an it says, I say, and so reading strategy question. It says, using direct quotes, I say, and so. So what I did is I did an example to start you out. John Locke from last week's reading. These are the 2 questions. So find direct quotes, a sentence or 2, short paragraph at the most, but usually a sentence or 2 that is a direct quote from one of the suggested readings to answer this question. Then these are your words. The I say is in your words, and so is the so what. So what about this question and the quote that you found? So what does it mean as we're looking at the formation of our country? So Baron de Montesquieu, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Thomas Hobbes, and Thomas Paine. I do have suggested links for each of these. Please don't use Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a place to start. It's like a filing cabinet, but then you have to go in. And so I've picked out some suggested resources for you for your reading. So you'll answer both questions for each of them. It says, direct quotes again, the I say, and so. So let me know if you have any questions as we get going. And then the next assignment, political philosophers, or the Philosophers Facebook Project. And you're going to choose one of the 5 political philosophers we've looked at. You can use John Locke or any of the 4 we're looking at this week. And open up for the directions. But basically, you're going to make a Facebook page for one of them. Even if you don't